art friends, it's Miss T. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to do a drawing that is a spider web and a spider. So you are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. And if you have a black marker, that would be great. Or you could use a black crayon or a black color pencil. And then you'll need other crayons too. So we're gonna have our paper horizontal today. So it's side by side, sideways. And I want you to pick a point somewhere in your paper. It could be the middle, it could be a little bit to the right, it could be a little bit to the left. I want you to draw a little dot. Now, from that dot, we're gonna draw lines diagonally around our paper. So I'll start at the dot and I'll draw a diagonal line going up that way. Maybe one right there. Maybe another one down here. So just keep going all the way around your paper. All right, now we're going to make the webbing inside each section. So the webbing is going to be kind of like a smiley line, a curved smile line. And you're gonna keep adding that. So skip a space and add a curved smile line. Now I'm gonna rotate my paper and do it to the next section. So I'm skipping spaces and I'm drawing that curved line. And keep doing that all the way throughout your paper. Oops. Okay, almost done. All right, so there we have our spider web. Now I want you to pick a spot to put your spider. Maybe I'll draw mine right here. So I'm going to draw kind of like an oval, sideways oval for its head. And then an oval body. Now, what do you notice? We can see the webbing through its head and body. So we need to erase the web lines that go inside its body and in its head. So take your eraser. Okay, so take your eraser and erase any lines that are inside its head and body. So now we can see clearly that that's the body of the spider and the head of the spider. And now for the legs, spider has 8 legs. And what I like to do is I like to go out and then up and then kind of make it like a point, like a triangle right there. And then go back down and go back in. So there you can see there's one leg of the spider and I made it pointy at the end. And the same thing, we have to erase the spider web lines that are inside its leg. Now I'm gonna draw my other 7 legs. Oops. And erase any lines that go through its legs. So there's 2 on the top on the left side. I'll make 2 on the top on the right side. And erase the spider web lines. Now for the bottom legs, I do the same thing. I go out, but instead of going up, I go down. So out, down, make it a point like a triangle, go back up, and then go back in. So now you can see it better. Go out, down to a point, and there's one bottom half of the leg. So I'll draw my other ones. And there I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spider legs. And if you want to, you can add eyes, or I like to add their little, their fangs. So I draw triangles at the top of its head. Now, if you have a black marker or a black crayon or a black color pencil, I want you to trace all the spider web lines in black. And that way it really pops out. And I also traced my spider's body and head and legs with my black marker. So once you trace over the pencil lines that you drew, then you can think about the color of your spider and you can think about the color of your web. I did an ABC pattern with my web. ABC pattern is light green, purple, and dark green. And then I repeated it. So maybe you can use a pattern when you color in your web. But remember, when we color, be neat and take your time and try your best to stay inside the lines. And that way our artwork looks completed and finished. All right, friends, thank you for joining me today. Have fun.